The funeral of Abul Kalam, who was killed after being struck by a bearing pad from the metro rail, has been completed. On the morning of October 27 at around 10:20 am, he was laid to rest at the Nadia Central Jama Mosque graveyard in his home district of Shariatpur. Earlier in the morning, his second funeral prayer was held at his village home in Ishorkathi, Nadia. Relatives and neighbors attended the funeral with tearful eyes to bid him a final farewell. Later, his body was taken to the Nadia Central Jama Mosque graveyard for burial. His sudden death has cast a shadow of grief over the entire area. Earlier on the night of October 26, his first funeral prayer was held at the Baitul Falah Jama Mosque in Noya ANTI-PIRACY Dhirganj around 10 p.m. Kalam had been living with his wife and 2 children in a rented house near his in-laws' residence in Pathantuli, Dhirganj. It may be recalled that around 12 p.m. on October 26, Abul Kalam Azad died when a bearing pad from the metro rail fell on him in the Farmgate area. His body was later recovered and taken to Shahid Suhrawardi Medical College Hospital, where the on-duty doctor declared him dead. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.